What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with the video. Today, we're gonna be walking around the flea market, hopefully making some money, and let's see what we find.
Buenos días, ¿cómo andas?
¿No trajo nada?
No.
Now, what you doing on the Xbox? Yeah, how much you doing on the Xbox?
$30.
I'll just wait till later when that doesn't sell, and I'll probably just get it for 20 or something. Unless it does sell for 30 here. A lot of people aren't trying to buy consoles that aren't really fully tested.
Es un set eso. Es un set. Marble es set.
Oh, okay.
Together. Those together.
How much?
75.
I have a bunch of cords already of most of them.
I don't have this
I
cord.
think I do have this one.
Yeah.
That one I'm not sure I have though.
Good luck, 'cause you don't got it, it's hard to find.
Yeah, I know.
But I never even plugged it in. 20 bucks.
Is that the one with the special stuff?
It has this box on the back, but I don't know if that's for controllers or internet.
Screw it, I'll do it. Do you have a change for 100?
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Alright guys, we got a PlayStation 2, no cords ready. Can you shake it? I mean, it sounds alright in there. So I mean, let's hope it works. How much you doing on the console?
For you, homeboy, put a price out there, homie. Come here.
Alright, I have to go get change real quick, but he said 15 bucks on this Xbox. We'll take it. Thank you, man.
You got him on the video?
Hopefully I can find this power cord, guys, because I've never really seen this one actually. Usually I have them already, like one of them at least just to test, but I've never seen this one yet. Maybe we'll find it today, but again, I've never seen this one. This is an Xbox 360e console though. I know it's a good one. I've never actually got one of these yet.
The wires and everything there?
Yeah.
15 bucks.
All right. We might as well do 10 bucks. I'll take it, I guess.
But this would $20. Look at what line.
As long as it works, it's worth me buying. If it doesn't work, then it sucks or whatever, but these consoles usually work.
Yeah, they usually will.
Thank you, man.
Okay.
We paid up a little bit more on that one. Not too much, so it's 25, I guess, you know, whatever. Please.
You sell it for 120.
Yeah, with the remote, yeah.
Look at it. It's this one. This one you said in play 1, play 2, you play 3, you pass it.
I trust you, man. I'll give you 50 bucks for it. You take Venmo? You got like Venmo cash?
Right here.
You sure?
Yeah.
Thank you, man. So I feel
Don't
bad.
worry about it.
That's all I had on me.
One little problem for the console is not problem. You tell me I go in repaint. It's not possible repaint. I need other console for you.
All right, I appreciate it. Thank you, man.
Sorry, my English is terrible.
No, you're good.
Were you watching the prices for online for these things? $500.
For these ones?
Yeah, because
The backwards compatible? I'm out of cash, but I'll pay 50 bucks for a backwards compatible PS3, guys. I like doing I've done that before. I'll do it again. The backwards compatibles, you know, they're worth money, so I'll pay up a bit. I'll pay up a little bit. Like he said, they're worth 500 is a bit much. I don't know if I can get 500. I sold my last one for 200 though, so I mean, we'll see. We'll see. What you asking on something like this?
$5.
$5, guys. I wonder if I should buy this. It's all beat up. You guys let me know if you would have paid $5 for that. I mean, it's just $5, so I mean, it's not too bad. I'm out of cash though, literally, so. All right, like I said, we're out of cash, guys. Hopefully we can find a deal, maybe still. And it'll take like Venmo or something. I mean, a lot of people do. So we should be chilling on that. But it's also getting later in the day though as well, so I'm not even sure we'll find anything else. Watching people shop at the flea market is so funny sometimes. Like, I said $3 on this. I mean, what cheaper can I tell you? $3 is the cheapest I could say. If I say $1, that's just wild. Puts it down instantly, not even a thought, like, you know, whatever.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, hey, hey.
6, 7, 8.
Bucks
Is this
one.
really 51s?
51, 7.
Dude, really?
$50. Here you go. Thank you, Tony.
Did you count it?
He counted it. I just trusted him. He counted right in front of me. PS4 Slim.
But I put.
All right, guys, we're back at the warehouse, and this is everything we got for the day. We spent about $165. Sounds like a lot of money, but one of these two consoles pretty much pays for everything. This console right here actually will still be a profit on top of all that money we spent. I can sell it for about $250 max, but I'll most likely get about 200 or so, give or take, unless I get lucky. This one is about, this one's actually a PS4 Slim. It's a camo version of it too, so it's a little bit more, I think. I saw like $170 online. It's not too bad for PS4 now. This, I don't have the cords for, so I can't test it for a while. I'm not sure when I'll be able to test this unless I just buy the cords. I've never seen that power cord yet, but it's a 360E console. I mean, it's probably a good amount of money. I think it's about $10 I saw with cords and controller. If I can get power cords, I'll probably sell it for about $80. We'll see though. PS2, not bad. Paid 20 bucks on this, and I could sell it for like 60, 70 bucks, I want to say, with cords, which I'm pretty sure I already have. Two Wii's. Together I paid 35 bucks for the both of them, which it came with this as well, which this game's like $20, I think. And I can sell these together for like, I'll probably list them together for 60 bucks, honestly. We'll see how it goes. We paid $5 to go with one of our guitars that we get. Let's test this PlayStation 4 Slim. It's a camo version of the PlayStation 4 Slim, so it's actually like a special edition, so it should sell for a bit more. It's in pretty solid condition, I'd say. There's a little bit of like dirt marks on here, but like for the back of it, there's no issues with like any dirt or anything inside of it. It looks like pretty flawless back here. No really key issues to point out. All right, I mean, it's okay. It's plugged in, and it's not turned on. That's actually not a good sign. It's never happened yet when I bought one of these. Usually they turn on. Dang. Well, I mean, it looks like it doesn't work, guys. I thought it would too. This thing looks in flawless condition. Wait, let me look at this real quick. All right, so I mean, I just opened up this little thing on the side, and when you open that up, there's like a little bug in there, honestly. Look at that. You see that in there? Ew. So that's pretty nasty looking right there. I thought it looked good, but I guess we'll have to look even further. I don't know how to open these up, but we'll see if we can open it up maybe. And that's a wrap for this video. Pretty successful day in my opinion. But if you made it this far, put a heart in the comments. I like to see who made it this far. I say this every time, but it's just cool, you know? Like, I know most people probably don't make it to the very end, but I just like to see who actually made it this far.